Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a token on Token Farm, which is a decentralized app on the Alt-Hash web platform. I'll put a link down in the description. I've made videos on how to create wallets and restore wallets. Okay. To create a token or to use a decentralized app, you need to have HTMLcoin in your wallet. That acts like the gas. Same as how Ethereum works, only faster here. Okay, so restore from key file. It's my test wallet. Alright, so I've got just under 1,000 HTML coin in this. Yeah, okay, and I've created a token a few minutes ago just to do a test. I'm going to do it again now just to show you how easy it is. So you can either, once you've got your wallet open, you can either go to the home page or click straight on My Token Farm here. So welcome to Token Farm, new token. Alright, so we've already got Noddy badge. This is just to show you how simple it is for the video's sake. So we're going to call it the Hoff. Token symbol Hoff. 8 decimal places like Bitcoin, and we'll make it an even million. Okay, that's it. And it is super cheap. Confirm. To create a token, I think it costs just over 1 HTML coin. Successfully sent. You can view it at. Alright, let's have a look. That's the old one I had. So I've just made 2 sets of tokens here. I'm not sure which one it is, but that's because you can see 2 here. So let's close that. So anyway, the token's been created. Now to find it, you could go here, tokens. Let's put Hoff. Here we go. And here's my token. 1 million tokens, contract address. Now this is very important. I will make another video soon on how to send and receive tokens via the desktop wallet. Actually, I should probably do it with the Alt-Hash web platform. Okay, anyway, so that's how you create a token. And this is the block explorer where you can get the contract address and any other details relating to your token. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye for now.